Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best saw guards for table saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the table saw Dustproof cover. Looking to enhance safety while woodworking? The table saw Dustproof cover by Zeriel, model 546356, is your go-to solution. Crafted from durable acrylic, it fits 4 to 10-inch table saws, providing a sturdy protective shell. Its adjustable height feature accommodates various saw sizes, ensuring flexibility in your workshop. Weighing just 1.28 pounds, this cover is easy to handle and install. The R-type splitting knife boosts efficiency, making it suitable for wood, iron, and acrylic. Despite mixed reviews, 3.3 stars, it remains a practical choice for dust protection and safety. Plus, it's backed by a 30-day return policy for peace of mind. Moving on at number 4, we have the table saw protective cover. A standout feature of the stand table saw protective cover is its universal compatibility with 6 to 10-inch table saws, making it an ideal choice for both hobbyists and professionals who need a reliable, dust-proof solution. Made from high-quality acrylic, this cover is durable and lightweight, ensuring long service life without deformation. Its transparent design lets you easily monitor your work, while the R-shaped splitting knife enhances your operations efficiency. You can connect it to a vacuum cleaner for a cleaner workspace. With a 4.2 star rating, users appreciate its functionality, although some modifications might be needed for older saw models. At number 3, we have the Ryobi replacement table saw blade guard. For those seeking a reliable upgrade for their table saws, the Ryobi replacement table saw blade guard stands out as an ideal choice. Designed for models R4513, RTS10, RTS21, and RTS31, this blade guard guarantees seamless repairs and peak performance. Manufactured by TTCV Lu Jiban Sha Dafei Sai in China, it ranks number 1, 824 in table saw accessories. Trust this part for superior performance across various tools like lawnmowers and chainsaws. With a 30-day return policy on Amazon, it offers peace of mind. Keep your workshop safe and efficient with this dependable guard, a must-have for any serious DIY enthusiast. At number 2, we have the 10-inch stand table saw protective cover. The 10-inch stand table saw protective cover stands out as an ideal choice for woodworkers seeking an effective and clear dust shield for their table saws. Manufactured by FDSF, this transparent plastic guard, part number 519666, measures 420 x 220 millimeters. It's designed to keep your workspace clean by preventing dust accumulation. You'll appreciate its straightforward installation and durability. With a perfect 5-star rating, it's a reliable solution for your workshop needs. Available since January 2022, it's covered by a 30-day return policy. If you find a lower price elsewhere, there's an option to report it for potential savings. And finally, at number 1, we have the TSGUARD Table Saw Dust Collection Guard. TSGUARD Table Saw Dust Collection Guard stands out with its robust dust collection capabilities, making it an excellent choice for avid woodworkers who prioritize a cleaner work environment. Manufactured by PSI Woodworking, it connects seamlessly to your dust collection system, capturing dust effectively from saw blades up to 16 inches, even at 45-degree angles. Its boom extends to 83 inches and can be ceiling mounted for maximum workspace clearance. While installation is straightforward, it may require some modifications. Users appreciate its sturdy construction and dust reduction, though they sometimes suggest using a more flexible hose for best performance. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, You can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.